Thank you for choosing the Survivair Cougar or Puma self-contained breathing apparatus. This video will provide training in the use and maintenance of the two SCBA models, the Cougar, equipped with a silicone facepiece, and the Puma, equipped with a multi-layered polypropylene hood. The Cougar and Puma SCBAs are NIOSH certified and OSHA compliant. The reliability and user-friendliness of the Survivair family of SCBAs is proven by millions of user hours in the field. We believe you'll find the Cougar and Puma to be the most practical, cost-effective SCBAs for your needs that money can buy. This video is not intended to be a substitute for the Survivair Cougar or Puma's user manual. Consult the manual for more detailed information. Make sure you read and understand all the information, including warnings and cautions, before using this equipment. In this video, we'll be explaining the following components: the backpack and cylinder, including cylinder changing procedure, the first stage regulator, the chest-mounted gauge, second stage regulator, the Cougar facepiece, and the Puma hood. We'll demonstrate basic donning and doffing techniques and show how to clean the facepiece and the hood as well. Backpack. The Survivair Cougar or Puma Mighty Light backpack is a lightweight, contoured polymer frame with built-in carrying handles. The cylinder is attached by a lightweight webbing-style band. The harness straps are made of durable nylon. The chest-mounted pressure gauge is located on the right shoulder strap, and the intermediate pressure hose is routed over the left shoulder. The gauge indicates the cylinder pressure once the cylinder valve has been opened. First stage regulator. The first stage regulator contains a pressure reducer, audible alarm, and intermediate pressure hose. The first stage lowers the cylinder air pressure to approximately 110 psig. A relief valve activates to protect the system when the regulated pressure exceeds 200 to 225 psig. The first stage regulator may be equipped with a whistle, warbling whistle, or bell alarm. The low-pressure audible alarm activates when there is approximately 25% of the air supply remaining. Second stage regulator. The pressure demand second stage regulator is mounted on the Cougar 2020 Plus facepiece or the Puma hood by the Survivair AirClick system. The mechanism automatically locks in place when the regulator is pushed into the AirClick. It can be removed by pressing the release button simultaneously. The regulator is activated by the first breath on mechanism or by pressing the manual safety override button on the front of the regulator. Airflow can be stopped by pressing the shutoff button. In an emergency, turning the red bypass knob provides constant airflow. Facepiece. The Cougar's 2020 Plus silicone facepiece features a comfortable wide lip sealing surface and a 5-point silicone head strap or optional head net harness. The lens surfaces are treated inside and out with an abrasion-resistant coating. The nozzle houses a removable nose cup, speaking diaphragm, and exhalation valve. The AirClick is threaded into the nozzle by a ratchet mechanism to prevent leakage and provides a secure mount for the second stage regulator. The unique design of the exhalation valve eliminates the danger of cross-contamination by multiple users of the SCBA. Air enters the facepiece from the second stage regulator along the lens interior surface. Exhaled air is prevented from contaminating the second stage inhalation port by being routed through the nose cup into the exhalation valve and out to the atmosphere. Third-party testing has proven the efficacy of this system. Donning and doffing. There are two methods of donning the Cougar or Puma SCBA: coat style, one arm at a time, and over the head. We'll describe both methods in this video. Over the head. Lean the SCBA against your legs, cylinder valve resting on the ground, and the harness spread to each side. Grasp the cylinder and backpack near the center. Lift the SCBA over your head and allow it to slide onto your back. Coat style. Insert your arm through one of the shoulder straps and swing the SCBA onto your back. Insert your arm in the other shoulder strap. Lean forward and pull the harness adjustment straps until the back support rests in the small of your back. When the adjustment straps are properly tightened, the weight of the SCBA will be carried on the hips instead of the shoulders. Fasten the waist belt buckle. Pull forward on the waist straps and tighten until very snug. Readjust the harness straps if required. Facepiece donning. Ensure that the AirClick second stage regulator adapter is tight in the facepiece. Verify that the AirClick is secure by trying to turn it counterclockwise. Fully loosen the head straps. If your SCBA is equipped with an optional neck strap, place the neck strap over your head. Grasp the lower head straps, place your chin in the chin cup, and pull the straps over your head. Center the facepiece and flatten the head strap hub on the back of your head. Tighten the two lower straps. Do not over-tighten. Tighten the temple straps, then the top strap, until all the head straps lie flat on your head. Perform a leak check. Place the palm of your hand over the AirClick. Inhale and hold your breath for a few seconds. The facepiece should collapse on your face without leaking. If the facepiece leaks, reposition it, check the straps, and repeat the leak check. Hood donning. Ensure that the AirClick second stage regulator adapter is tight in the facepiece. Fully loosen the hood suspension straps. Grasp the hood by the neck seal and pull it over your head. Position the nose cup on your face, then simultaneously tighten the two suspension straps. To perform a leak check with the Puma hood, pressurize the hood, hold your breath for several seconds, and listen for audible leaks. Pressurization. Fully depress the shutoff button on the second stage regulator. Verify that the red bypass knob is in the closed position. Open the cylinder valve and check the gauge to make sure that it indicates a full cylinder. Remove the second stage regulator from the waist strap holder by pressing the two release buttons. The buttons must be pushed simultaneously to remove the regulator. Insert the regulator into the AirClick and press firmly until you hear both release buttons snap into place. Do not press the release buttons when inserting the regulator. Rotate and tug the regulator to make sure that it's completely engaged. Take a sharp, deep breath to activate the regulator. Then take several breaths to check the flow of air. Quickly open and close the bypass valve to ensure that it's operating properly. Doffing. Press the second stage regulator shutoff valve. Press the two release buttons and remove the regulator from the facepiece. Close the cylinder valve. If your SCBA cylinder valve is equipped with a locking sleeve, disengage it by pushing it in and turning it counterclockwise. Vent air from the system by pressing the override button or opening the bypass valve. Push the second stage into the waist strap mounted regulator holder until it clicks. To doff the Cougar facepiece, place your thumbs under the head strap buckles, loosen the straps, and remove the facepiece. To doff the Puma hood, loosen the suspension straps and pull the hood over your head. Unbuckle the waist strap, loosen the shoulder straps, and remove the SCBA. Cylinder changing. Changing air cylinders is a fast and simple operation with the Survivair Cougar and Puma SCBAs. With the system depressurized, remove the first stage regulator from the cylinder valve by turning the handwheel counterclockwise. Steady the cylinder and flip the tank band buckle. Rotate the buckle upward to loosen the tank band. Rotate the cylinder to the right and remove it from the tank bracket. Place a fully charged cylinder into the tank bracket and rotate it to the left so that the cylinder valve threads face the user's left side. Attach the metal bail to the tank band catch and tighten the tank band by flipping the buckle. Reattach the first stage regulator to the cylinder valve by turning the handwheel clockwise. Facepiece cleaning. Make a cleaning solution of warm water and mild detergent. Immerse the facepiece top first in the solution until the exhalation valve is covered. Agitate the facepiece and clean gently with a soft brush. Thoroughly rinse the facepiece in fresh water, paying particular attention to removing all soap from the exhalation valve. To disinfect the facepiece, make a hypochlorite disinfecting solution with 2 tablespoons of chlorine bleach per gallon of water. Disinfect the facepiece by immersing it in the solution for 2 to 3 minutes. Rinse thoroughly with warm water. Allow the facepiece to drip dry. Warm air may be used to speed up drying. Hood cleaning. A cleaning solution of warm water and mild detergent is suitable for cleaning the Puma hood. Immerse the hood until the exhalation valve is covered. Agitate the hood and clean gently with a soft brush. Thoroughly rinse the hood in fresh water, making sure to remove all soap residue from the exhalation valve. Disinfect the hood with Lysol disinfectant or Simple Green D, following manufacturer's instructions. Rinse thoroughly with warm water. Allow the hood to drip dry. Warm air may be used to speed up drying. Second stage regulator cleaning. If it becomes necessary to clean the second stage regulator, before cleaning, install the second stage cleaning cap. With the regulator facing down, clean the exterior surfaces with a soft brush. Keep the regulator facing down and rinse the exterior thoroughly with fresh water. Remove the second stage cleaning cap and clean the interior of the outlet tube with a damp, lint-free cloth. If water should accidentally enter the second stage while cleaning, expel it by briefly free-flowing the regulator. Dry the regulator with a clean cloth or with low-pressure breathing-grade air, 15 psig maximum. Peel off the rubber cover of the manual override button. Place the protective cleaning cap over the regulator outlet tube. Hold the regulator with the cover facing down and rinse in a shallow bucket of fresh water. Allow the water to drain and dry with low-pressure breathing-grade air, 15 psig maximum, directed into the venting groove under the shutoff button. Reinstall the rubber cover. Backpack harness cleaning. The Cougar and Puma SCBA's hoses, backpack harness, frame, and cylinder and valve assembly may be cleaned with a damp cloth or mild soap and water solution. Rinse thoroughly and air dry or wipe with a clean cloth. Periodic testing. The Cougar and Puma SCBA's must be flow tested annually and overhauled every 6 years. Contact your local authorized Survivair service center for details. This video has outlined the components of the Survivair Cougar and Puma SCBA's and given brief descriptions of their respective functions. The Cougar and Puma are state-of-the-art SCBA's, part of a family of the most sophisticated respiratory systems available today. You'll find them to be user-friendly and reliable, life-saving additions to your arsenal of safety equipment.